Hey guys, welcome back guys to another video. Today I will be reviewing the blue Yeti microphone. There will be no unboxing in this video, and if the lighting is bad for this, don't blame me. So yeah, maybe the lighting's bad for this, but I'm sorry because right now there's a problem with the lights and I have to get it fixed. So jumping right into it, this will take 219 Singapore dollars out of your pocket. And do note that all the conversion rates here are taken off Google, so I didn't check every website for every country, so don't blame me if it's wrong. Now, I had mine for around 3 to 2 years right now, and it has scratches on the stand. I wanted to put a pop filter back here, so I put a pop filter and it comes to the front, and when I put it, it got a lot of scratches, and I didn't notice till like 1 year later. Build quality for the mic is actually quite well. It has been lasting me. All my spit has probably spit into here. Sorry, that was kind of disgusting. So the front of the body, there's the metal logo, and then there's a mute and unmute button, and there's a volume knob. So at the back of the mic, it has a gain knob and another knob to set which polar pattern you want. There are 4 polar patterns, and not in any order, but we have here a bi-directional polar pattern, a cardioid pattern, and I just need to look because I forget everything, omnidirectional pattern, and a stereo pattern. So jumping right into it, I need to take my Shinoblade laptop to show you that this is actually very easy to do. Because I'm using a 2015 MacBook Pro, I need one of these dongles to plug straight into here. Yes. So I'll be using the cables that they actually provided in the box. So this is showing you like the actual review of it. I'm not using random cable because this cable is quite common. Okay, so right now I just plugged it into QuickTime Player, real easy. If you have a MacBook Pro, that would be very easy because QuickTime Player is just a default app. So you can just go into your blah blah blah, don't know, spotlight thing, search in QuickTime Player and press File, and then go under File and go into Audio Recording. Then go right next to the play button and go to the drop down menu and pick Yeti stereo microphone. And for Microsoft users, use this free software called Audacity. I will have a video linked in the description on how to use Audacity because I'm not a pro at that because I like to use Mac a lot, so I'm afraid I give wrong info about it. So right now the pattern of the mic is cardioid and it's set around 90 degrees from 0. So right now I'm talking straight into the mic and I'm just going to move a little bit to the side. You notice that I'll start to lose my voice. Because this is a cardioid pattern, I'll lose my voice. Right now the pattern is set on omnidirectional, and you will know that you will hear me quite nicely on every single side. So I'm just going to move around and you hear me very I'm not going to reach all the way to the back. I'll look like an idiot doing that. But just know that, it will record 360 around the mic. Perfect. I'm right now on stereo mode, and it's best that you wear stereo headphones now. So you hear me on the left side of your ear, if you're wearing your headphones the right way, and on the right side of your ear. But right now this mic is going to record front and back, so hopefully I don't think you'll be able to hear me on the sides. So if I move to this side, you may not hear me as good as if I would talk at the back or this side. And for this, I will talk at the back. Wow, the shadow is like crazy over here. Hello, testing 1 2 3. Now who would I think needs such a mic, a legendary mic, a mic that costs well over like 200 Sing and can do 4 different patterns? It's pretty cool, to be honest, if you really need a use for all 4 polar patterns. If you don't, then I just recommend getting a simple dynamic mic for vocals, or you can get a specific mic to whatever pattern you need. I'm pretty sure for every pattern there's a specific mic, and you just need to do some research out there. And yes, please do your research. A simple mic can have so many different patterns, and once you get it, you may not get what you actually want. You may be accidentally getting a stereo mic when you want a omnidirectional mic. So yeah, you really need to do your research on the mics. If you are rich enough and you just want to get this because you want to use one of the patterns, then go ahead. But if you really need to use for all 4 patterns, I recommend this mic. You don't have to carry like 4 different mics, even though this thing weighs quite a lot, but it doesn't weigh too much, and it's quite big as well. I personally know what I'm going to review in this channel, and if you want to see some budget mics, it's coming up soon, so be patient, guys. So if you want to keep up with the videos I'm making and reviews, then press subscribe. I will appreciate it a lot. If you don't, then I'm thankful that you at least watch this video. Do click the like button if you like this video, and do click the dislike button if you did not like this video. So comment down below what you think I should improve on or videos that I should make. Do know that I'm only doing reviews for electronic devices, so yeah. If you do want to send me stuff and you're a company, then go to my YouTube channel about and go find my email. Or you can go down in the description and email me. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you liked this review, and I hope it was useful. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next review. Bye.